Hey, what is going on? It's Daniel here from Signature Performance in Costa Mesa, California. How are we doing? We're doing good here. Hopefully you're doing well. Just here with another truck to show you. Just another beautiful build. It's really fun. We're starting to run out of days and times to shoot these videos. We're really thankful for all the business. We're gonna do our best to keep shooting as much as we can for you. Obviously, we got a lot of the F-250s, the HDs. We do Broncos, we do F-150s, we do the Tundras, Tacomas, 4Runners. They're all here. Every one of those, we have one of those here. And so I figured, hey, it's time to talk about a Tundra, right? So when this body style came out, I was really excited for the revamp. The last model before did really well. We did everything from the 6-inch lift, standard leveling kit, or your SST kits, coilovers, right? There's a lot of variations, and the Tundra really took off. This new body style to me is the nicest. The interior is the nicest that Toyota has done yet. This one behind me is a 2023 Platinum. So the Platinum comes with a couple extra features. But what's also different is this one has the longer bed on the truck. So a lot of them you see driving around, again, are gonna have that shorter bed. So cool to show you this truck in particular. The other thing that's interesting about this truck is that it comes with rear air ride suspension. So it's set up when you're towing to make some auto adjustments in the rear. So when Chris brought us this truck, there was a ton of concern there, and rightfully so, right? So Chris really built this for his son. His son was extremely involved in the process, which was very fun to talk to the dad, talk to the son. The son wants this, the dad wants this, and to be able to navigate through that process with them. They didn't want any rubbing. They didn't want a lot of trimming. They wanted it to ride great. They wanted quality product. So that was pretty easy to help them navigate through that. Chris's son had already decided he wanted King coilovers. He was set on that, and I have Kings on my Bronco. I'm a King fan. Definitely was not a problem to get him some Kings for this truck. What was going to be a hurdle is how do we handle the rear, right? So we'll get into that. We have matching Kings front and back on this. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and dive into the suspension here. So up front, it is a King 2.5 diameter. This coilover is made in both a 3-inch diameter as well. The majority of guys are definitely going to pick a 2.5. What I like is King does a really nice job of providing mounts for the resis. In some cases, you really get to see them. In some cases, you don't. In this case, you really don't get access to seeing that reservoir driving down the road. So something to keep in mind, if you want to see that reservoir shock, you might want to look at a Fox because the mount is slightly different. For upper control arm, this is top of the line. This is a Camburg completely billet upper arm. On the frame side, it is using Heim joints. So something to keep in mind with Heim joints, lots of strength, but I always say race truck parts get race truck noises. So something to keep in mind, you want to definitely going to want to lube those. Just know that it's a maintenance item. Definitely for strength, if you're doing off-road, it is definitely ideal. If you don't want Heim joints, we do offer some other control arms that are available that are going to have a more of a bushing style on the frame. So something to keep in mind there. As far as lift height goes, the coilover is providing about 2.5 inches of lift right out of the box. So obviously with the coilover, there is a threaded body. A lot of customers want to get more height out of it. There is some adjustment there. We always do our best to put the coilover in the truck exactly how it comes out of the box. And the reason is it's designed and tuned to ride at that spring rate right out the box. So as you make changes, right, you're gonna gain or lose drivability. In this case, if you were to want more height out of the front, you'd want to crank down that coilover a bit. We always find that just common sense tells you the more preload on the coilover, meaning the tighter you make it on the coil, you're going to lose some ride quality. Will it still be good enough for you? Could be. You know, going a 1/2 inch is not really a big deal, but you definitely have that option if you wanted to get some more customization for some more height. For wheel and tire setup, we did a 35 11 50 17. Chris's son was really clear. He wanted a really small wheel in there. So 35 11 50 isn't available in a lot of applications as far as tire goes, but it does fit really, really nice on this truck. There's a lot of trucks that do 37s. In fact, there's a truck that we just built 2 weeks ago or so, maybe 3 weeks ago, that we'll be posting up pretty soon behind this video. And that one is also on King coilovers on some 37s. So if you want to see what this truck looks like for 37s, make sure you come back to the page and look for that video. All right, so 35 11 50 17. Again, this is the Nitto Ridge Grappler. It's our #1 selling tire, American made product, hybrid tread, right? So it's right in between an MT and an AT. I personally run a Ridge Grappler on everything I own if the size is available. So I think it's a great choice in the tire. The wheel is the KMC IMS. Now, what's really cool about this particular wheel is the gloss black beadlock ring against a satin black face. So it gives the wheel some nice contrast, and then we topped it off with an all black center cap and a black lug nut. These are available in machined as well if you wanted a different finish. But 17-inch looks really great for that real off-road style, right? If you want more of that street heavy look, you might be looking to go to a bigger wheel, but this 17-inch fits this truck really nicely. What's really unique about the back here is the air ride suspension. So we did outfit it with a King 2.5 shock, has the reservoir. And if you want to take a look at that mount, that's kind of exactly what I was talking about earlier in the video. King provides these mounts. It's already set up. The adjuster is right there. And then you can also see a nice big blue lower link. I'm stoked about these. I just think these look so fantastic. They're all billet CNC machined. They are anodized to match the King shocks right out the box. So those are also made by Camburg. And then the last part is, what do we do to lift the rear? So very simple. Westcott Designs out of Arizona makes a airbag delete kit, and they also make a link kit. All we had to do was just do the links because we were keeping the airbags. They have some great instructional videos if you're installing this in your driveway. It's about a 45-minute hour install. I mean, it's very easy to get that installed. But they've got the truck leveled nicely, put it on the alignment rack. We're able to adjust our caster, camber, and toe all back within factory specs. As far as caster goes, we typically add a little bit more caster in the front to get it off the body mount, and hardly any trimming done on this truck. So we did do some minor trimming just so you can see what we did. Is in the inner fender well here. Just a little bit of felt right off the bottom, which is really cool. And the last thing they wanted was a full-size spare. So DV8 Off-Road makes a universal bed mount. So universal meaning it goes in lots of applications. It does require some drilling into the bed as far as installation goes. Comes with the ratchet strap, comes with the mount. So we did a full-size spare here in the bed as well. So this truck came out fantastic. It's more than usable. This truck is prepared, get a flat tire, ready to go. Nice and accessible right there. So again, excited to show you something new, right? Something different than maybe a Chevy HD or an F-250 that you're seeing come out here all the time. We are doing lots of these trucks as well. So if you got any questions, you can go to signatureptw.com. We have all the product on the website ready to go. We can ship right to your doorstep, or you can bring your truck here to California. We're happy to take care of it for you. If you just have any technical questions, you need help figuring out the product, that's what we're here for. Our job is to educate you and help you. So hopefully this video did that for you. If you have more questions, you can comment down below. You can follow us, subscribe, or give us a call at 888-680-0060. You can talk to myself, Raymond, Jimmy, Jacob, Jason. There's a whole crew of us here happy to help. So We look forward to talking to you, and thank you for your time.